Good morning. I am Benaifa Abdel Jalil, architect, geomatic engineer, and informatics student master to CCE. Today, I have the pleasure to link between my different skills to give you this presentation of BIM. So my plan is structured as follows. Firstly, I will explain why we need BIM and what is the approach of BIM. Then I will detail the actor and BIM process. Secondly, I will explain dimension and BIM levels. Finally, I will leave a video as reference and conclusion. Currently, construction projects are becoming more and more complex. And on the other hand, technologies are advancing, allowing to work quickly and more efficiently. In addition, the changes of context and working methodologies on the construction field forced us to move from an operating logic to a new logic of sustainable use based on two essential points. Firstly, decision-making process, and secondly, a digital geometric representation, or too simply, by using BIM. So, building information modeling or management, BIM, is a process and collaborative work that begins with the creation of 3D intelligent model in order to use it during the life cycle of a construction. To resume, BIM is a collaboration between all of the actors of structure or construction using a numerical representation of physical building and functional characteristic. So, this collaboration have to be between several actors around a project. It allows architect, engineer, builder, and other actors to visualize the building in a simulated environment with intelligent, quantitative, qualitative, semantic, and behavioral data to identify the future problems from planning, design, and construction until the demolition of building. The BIM process is the creation of intelligent data that can be used since the life cycle of construction project. This creation passes by 4 stages: planning, design, build, and finally operate. First, in the plan stage, we inform planning to generate a context model of the existing build and a natural environment. Secondly, design. During this stage, analysis, conceptual design, details, and documentation are carried out. Third, build. During this phase, manufacturing begin using BIM specification. Final stage is operate. In the final stage, function BIM data is transferred to maintenance. BIM data can be used in a profitable renovation or efficiently demolition. In BIM process, there are multitude of dimensions ranging from 2D to XD, and right now 7Ds. And each dimension represents a layer of data. For example, 2D model represents 2-dimension CAD drawing or basic drawing, and each time we can add a new data layer as a dimension. For example, the 3D model represents the 2D basic model plus the height. In parallel, there are a lot of level of maturity of our model, ranging from the level 0 to level 3. Level 0 represents generally a model of 2D and a little of collaboration. We can say that level 0 is the start of our model. The more you move through the levels, the dimensions increase until you reach level 3 or big open BIM. This third level begins generally with 3D model, and right now in the third level we can go until 7D model. To resume, BIM is a long process using a digital or intelligent model of our building or our future construction. This process based on a collaboration between all of the actors of construction during the life cycle of building, from planning, design and construction until demolition. BIM should be begin in the start of project with level 0 and 2 dimension, and we can go until the third level using a different dimension. We can use 7 dimension right now. This third level begin with 3D model, and right now we can go until 7D model. Finally, this video presented by Autodesk explain BIM well. So, I let you watch in by following the link.